Right, so this is the Lion Bears' final challenge for this unit, and it is the water challenge, everybody's favourite. So they are working as a team to collect water and bring it over to their tube to fill up and to make that ball rise to the top. Now, they have to work as a team. They have to all hold the bucket and walk at all times. And then you can join this team. And then try to get as much water back as possible each time. So they've realised now that the bucket has holes in. We can see here. Are we working? Is everyone holding the bucket, guys? You see here they're just trying to race back and losing a lot of water. We've got some teams that are plugging the holes quite well. And we'll have a little chat in a minute as well about how best we can stop the water coming out.